be showing you how to do P2P trading on ByBit. So as you can see here, we have more. You click on more and it will load this face. So here you see we have P2P trading. You click on P2P trading. Now, since you are selling, you click on sell. Okay, Blaze Deeps is selling for 1,551 naira 82 kobo. Schoolboy Entertainment is selling for 1,551 naira 8 kobo. Extra for is selling for 1,551 naira 62 kobo. So let's go for Blaze. Let's go for Blaze. Okay, so Blaze is using bank transfer, and that is the best option to use, bank transfer. So now, if you have not added your bank details before, you tap on this add payment method, and any bank you are using, you put in your bank name, your bank account number, your bank branch, and your bank name, and click on confirm after that. So you go back and put in the amount of USDT you want to sell here. For example, you are selling 100 USDT, and after that you click on sell. Okay, so this buyer has a good rating, completed orders in 30 days. Imagine the orders he have sold. So you can sell. The payment time is 9 minutes, very fast. So this seller is good. Okay, so that is it. After that, your money will be transferred to your account and the USDT will be released to the buyer. So that is it on this video. It's very simple as that. If you find this video helpful and educating, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video, share it with your friends. Okay, see you on the next one. Thank you.